What's up guys, and welcome to NM Radio. I'm your host Michelle the Foot Loner, and I'm here to give you the best hip hop and R&B news. Before we jump into today's video, please click the subscribe button if you are new to our channel, and I would love to hear from you, so don't forget to leave a comment below and share the video.
Bring in ABC News legal contributor and trial attorney Brian Buckmeyer, and ABC News contributor and ESPN's Anscape senior entertainment reporter Kelly Carter for more. Brian, Cassie's saying that Diddy drugged her, beat her, forced her to have sex with male prostitutes, and that even at the end of their relationship, he forced his way into her home and raped her. Now, Diddy's vehemently denying these serious allegations. His legal team says this is about money and that Cassie's been trying to extort him, demanding $30 million. How challenging is it going to be for each of them to make their case in court?
So, Dan, there are challenges on both sides for these parties making their arguments in court. For Cassie, the main issue is going to be corroboration. How is she going to be able to corroborate these allegations of supposedly blowing up Kid Cudi's car, the rape, the assault? And even in the complaint, it seems to be difficult because, according to her, after these kind of bouts of rage, Diddy allegedly would keep her in the home where people wouldn't be able to see these injuries. So the question is someone going to flip? And then for Diddy on the other side, it's going to be about whether or not this was consensual and what she can prove. Diddy's going to probably have a slew of employees saying they did not see any of these allegations supporting this. It's going to be much like we saw in the R. Kelly trial, I think, out of the EDNY here in New York.
Kelly, you've interviewed Diddy many times over the years. What was your reaction when you heard these allegations?
Yeah, I mean, I mean, that was probably my reaction, you know, that kind of nonverbal moment. I think there are things that came out in that lawsuit that were certainly surprising and that I had never heard of before. But I think it would be dishonest to say that there were never, you know, rumors or even people being a little bit louder, but not bubbling up as loud, talking about possible, you know, physical abuse, you know, over the years. And I think it's interesting because you look and you see certain people like Aubrey O'Day saying, yes, this is what I was talking about years ago, but no one was listening to me back then. So, you know, this is someone who really helped commercialize hip hop. And I think a lot of people have been sitting and waiting to, you know, find out, discover, might there be a Me Too moment in hip hop? Might there be a lightning rod moment that would reignite that conversation, that movement in hip hop? And we have to wait and see if this is what that is.
Now, Kelly, Diddy's attorneys say that these allegations are aimed at tarnishing his reputation. What kind of an impact could these accusations have on Diddy's image and legacy in hip hop?
This would have a colossal impact on his legacy and his image in hip hop. You know, Diddy is someone that has been able to penetrate, you know, like the C-suites, you know, the upper echelon of American economy and business, and really is like a poster child for success. He has been allowed entrance into rooms and spaces that hip hop was never allowed, you know, into before. He is a businessman who has done exceptionally well over the last few decades. And so for something like this to come out at this point in his career, you know, he just released what many consider to probably be his best album, just nominated for a Grammy. This would be colossal, you know, if any of these things were found out to be true.
Brian, what are you watching for as this case unfolds?
I'm looking to see who comes forward. What we've seen on a lot of these cases of allegation of sexual assault is where there is one, there might be more, or either witnesses to those allegations. Also, while Cassie is able to bring this lawsuit because of Governor Hochul's kind of look back law, the Adult Survivor Act, which ends November 24th, so a week today, some of the allegations in this complaint are federal criminal charges that do not have a statute of limitations, specifically the trafficking charges. And if the SDNY believes that any of these allegations are true, they can go after Diddy themselves, and he's potentially looking at 15 years to life. So are more people going to come forward? Are there going to be criminal charges that flow from this? That's what I'm really looking for in this case.
All right, Brian Buckmeyer, Kelly Carter, thank you both.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.